Yeah.
Well, today is you couldn't write a book about it, bro. Well, you could, but it'll take you a long time.
Vital component to
Very vital component. Fisherman's friend. Arvid.
Sweden is the largest Nordic country and the third largest country in the EU. Home to ABBA, IKEA, H&M and Nicorette, Sweden's influence can be seen all around us. A notable feature of the Swedish landscape is 69% of the landmass is forested, with the northern regions being less dense with flora. The country is also very active in reforestation, replacing trees they cut down. After landing at the Växjö Småland airport, we spotted our first Swedish giant, disguised as a border control agent at the airport. Many of the Scandinavian-born people are, on average, taller than in other parts of the world. Växjö has made significant developments in creating a fossil fuel-free city and is recognized as one of the world's leaders in renewable energy. Biomass and biofuels are a product of plants, wood and waste and represent the city's primary energy source, with more than 90% of Växjö's heating and half of its electricity being sourced from forestry byproducts. Buses here are powered by locally produced biogas, and more investment is being put towards foot and bike paths. Housing has also had a green touch thanks to the practice of timber construction and introduction of passive house Växjö, allowing human-generated heat to be transported back into the buildings. In fact, many homes and buildings constructed in Växjö get enough energy from biomass and solar to be plus energy buildings, generating more energy than the building consumes.
You have one of the iconic buses rolling
Electric
Yeah.
bus, bro.
The green bus.
It's a
The number 5. You understand?
bus.
You understand number 5, you know. Yeah, and he waved.
On our extremely active Friday morning, we prepared and set off to go to Stansted via Uber. First time, right? First time. We touched down in Växjö about an hour, 2 hours ago. I had to make a few business calls. These guys did some exploring, gathered some resources, and now we're coming back together to indulge in a few items. I got an Americano, extremely delicious. Tom got a, what was this?
Chai latte.
Chai latte.
Beautiful.
And Siva here had this immaculate vanilla latte, and we're about to indulge in the vanilla and cardamom bun. You understand? Vanilla and cardamom bun. I've heard many things about this. Let's give it a shot.
Yeah.
Big boy.
Hey, that was a big boy bite, eh?
Hey, you know it's a good one when that happens.
Who would have thought that vanilla and cardamom would have mixed so well together? You have like a little bit of custard as well. Pass the parcel, yeah? Pass the parcel.
So it's so gooey, man. It's leaking full of like sweetness and pleasure, which is that cardamom and vanilla. It's gonna explode in my mouth.
Wow.
I'm going to indulge.
Professionally made, you know? Professionally made right here at the spot.
Top-notch bakery vanilla.
Top-notch.
Established in 2021. And that was top-notch.
It looks incredible. It looks incredible.
There's even a little bit of like pepper or something.
Yeah,
on
it
top,
looks like
right?
pepper, doesn't it?
Pepper, some bioperine, yeah? For our doctors out there, you know about that.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, sun is also very good for the skin.
Shining.
It's very good for the soul, very good for the mind. Many suffered from seasonal affective disorder in sun-starved Sweden. However, this was remedied after passing new regulations to fortify dairy products with vitamin D.
Is it like 22 degrees today, can we say? 22 degrees?
2 degrees. We're going to do a nice meditation in the sun later, I'm sure. I'm sure.
And we're gonna go out to Grace.
That tastes good, bro.
Some feedback
That
from
tastes,
Siva.
that tastes really good. It's mixed. It's like Brian mentioned earlier. You don't expect vanilla to go with cardamom. It just mixes so well, and the way it kind of melts in your mouth with the. I mean, it's not pepper. I think it's cardamom. I think what that thing is, I think it is literally cardamom. We live in, baby. You know how it is, Sweden, man.
Let's go.
Like and subscribe.
Oh, damn.
Music? Yeah. It's like French.
Yeah.
Big wood to chop. Big wood to chop here. We're out in the sticks.
We're out in the sticks, man.
Out in the sticks.
The beach?
Yeah, sure. I mean, let's drive past it, man. Let's see.
Check it out.
Wow. I've never seen anything.
So
I've never
he
seen-
can't see. He can't see yet, right?
14 days can
Can't
see.
see.
14 days. Yeah, he can't see yet.
It's Friday today, yeah? 1 week today.
1 week birthday.
Wow.
Hey, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Having 2 fishing rods bestowed upon us by our Bosnian host and Tom's extensive fishing experience, we saw no better opportunity to have a crack at fishing than in the Helgasjön's waters. Located in and around the Sandsboro area, this 50 square kilometer lake contains plenty of perch, pike, zander, and sea trout. The Kronoberg Castle, a world-renowned castle that Shakespeare's Hamlet play is based off, sits on this lake. Fishing evolved from a pure survival activity to that of a recreational one. It was depicted as a symbol of abundance and fertility in ancient Egyptian art. A good understanding of tides, currents, and weather patterns we had, but a caught fish we had not. Even with more sophisticated hunting methods and food gathering, this adventure will always be remembered as the day we tapped into our Paleolithic ancestry.
Suveter hyvä emäntä nouse, harja katsoo maahan viitimä, ei mennän viljaa kun ei tuu.
We've got a new island here that we've just discovered and conquered.
Manutar maan emäntä nostele, oras okinen kannon karvanen ylennä, kun ei tuskihin tulisi. Suvetar hyvä emäntä nouse, harja katsoo maahan viitimä, ei mennän viljaa kun ei tuskihin tulisi.
It's like an opal, bro. It's like an opal in the sky. Oh, numa, 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 yay, resti rena, numa, numa, yay, numa, numa, yay, numa, numa, yay.
Do you guys want to explain what we're doing at the moment?
We made use of nature, really. This is Amer's hut on Amer's Island.
With Amer's wood as well, which he chopped with the axe, which we have in the tree. We've got 3 fine sausages laid on the grill.
You want to explain what we did today in general?
Now today is, you couldn't write a book about it, bro. Well, you could, but it'll take you a long time.
It would take a very long time, bro.
You know, a lot going on. We started off by discovering this island on our boats, on one little kayak, and then we had our segments. First you had the north, Ryan had the east, and I had the west. We just somehow naturally came together.
Almost felt like society. We sailed in, into our continent, and then we all went off on our own little journey to do our own things.
It's funny because me and Tom were like, oh, nah, this part's better.
Yeah.
My part's better. you know,
Exactly,
just like,
exactly.
It's like colonists.
And it was like, yeah, it became countries on each side of this continent. It was a very tribal feeling, I'm not gonna lie. We here, baby. We sailed to mainland to get some supplies. Came across some individuals, a lot of individuals who took a lot of interest in us. And then we sailed back onto the island, placed our boat, and now we're here on the west side of the island, on Brian's side of the island, creating a fire.
We're actually thinking about doing different fires at different spots.
At different spots around this island.
Once we have this fire cracking, we can replicate it anywhere.
Exactly.
We have the coals, Mother Nature.
Mother Nature.
Thank you.
So this is the second day in Sweden. Växjö. Where we came in, we thought it was called Växjö, but it's pronounced Växjö. It's been very nice. I've learned a lot during this trip and a lot to take back. I told Brian that I was gonna explain to him everything that mines went through today, tomorrow. It's been very thoughtful experience. And looking forward to more of the trips that we have coming. Yeah. People often ask us, how spiritual do your experiences get? Well, ask this tree, because we're pretty much at the top. And we're here, baby. We climbed up pretty high.
Winston Churchill. Hello. Julius and
Arvid.
Are you famous?
That's a very good
We're getting there. We're getting there. Though. We're into an island over there called Amer. We called it Amer Island.
So we are OGs now. You never want to do anything in Swedish water, bro. That is dangerous. Bro, you want to
Why dangerous? You say dangerous. Why dangerous?
Yeah,
It's
the Swedish government, all they care about is water.
Cykloper. You know what's in this water? Cykloper.
This is in this water.
Bro, hey, listen, we were trying to fish. Zenda.
No,
Jeddah.
Jeddah. The best fish. You know, if you go 10 kilograms, you get $1,000. Yeah, £1,000.
10,000 kroner.
Yeah, that's like about 12,000.
So fishing is quite big here, and then you guys all fish, yeah?
He fish more. He's the best fisher.
Okay, best.
No, I'm the best fisher.
Hey, the only way to see is the fishing rods. We have fishing rods.